Is it possible to double your sales by using email marketing? Well, the answer is a resounding yes, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hi, I'm Dave D, and this is the video series that shows you how to get more customers, clients, or patients by using proven sales strategies. Hello and welcome. Now, before we dive in, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so you continue to get these videos. Also, click the thumbs up button to make it easier for other folks just like you to find this useful content. So let's talk about sales emails and how you can use them to literally double your business. The first thing that we need to talk about, though, is why do we need emails in the first place? Well, the fact is that the majority of prospects who come into your world aren't ready to schedule an appointment with you, aren't ready to make a buying decision with you right away. So you need a way to follow up with them consistently. And the best way to do that is with email. Email is alive and well. In fact, most people report who are using email marketing and email selling effectively that email is their number one conversion tool. So let's go over some of the fundamentals of selling via email. The first thing to understand is that you need to be consistent in sending out emails to your prospects. The question is, how often should you send out a sales email to your prospects? Well, the answer might surprise you. The truth is that you should be sending get ready for this, a daily email to your prospects. At least 3 times a week, at a minimum. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, now wait a minute, Dave, my prospects don't want to hear from me daily. And you would be right if you were sending out emails the way almost everybody else in your industry is doing it, which are pure pitch emails or emails that are very technical. Here is the type of email that you want to send out to your prospects. And you want to do it daily or at least 3 times a week. The type of email is an infotaining email. What's an infotaining email? It's an email that combines really good information with entertainment. By sending out an infotaining email, your prospects actually look forward to receiving and reading your emails. So, how do you go about writing these infotaining emails? Well, the truth is it's easier than you might think. One of the ways to do is to simply tie in whatever it is that you're offering with a current event. So, for example, if you're a financial advisor and there's a news story about a celebrity who went broke, and there's always a story about a celebrity or an athlete who went broke, that's a very, very easy topic for you to latch onto. And so what you would do is you would tell the story of this celebrity, of this athlete, and then give a little bit of advice, and then at the very end have a call to action, but a very gentle call to action to call you to schedule a consultation or go to your online calendar to schedule a consultation. You see, when you're talking about, for example, something that's in the news or a celebrity, that email is going to get open and it's going to get read. Now, here is the facts about this. You want this much entertainment in your email and this much information. The information piece of it is what ties it all together and gives a payoff to your reader. Now, let me give you another way to write an infotaining email, and that's to write personal stories, things that are happening in your life that you can then tie in to the message that you want to deliver. Now, by writing personal stories, this does multiple things for you. The first thing is it gets your prospects to feel like they know you, like they're almost friends with you. And therefore, when they're ready to make an appointment with you, or when they're ready to make an appointment to talk about whatever service it is you're selling, they are actually going to be talking to you. They're going to call you. They're going to schedule the appointment with you because you've been consistently delivering valuable information in a friendly way. And if you tell personal stories, they feel like they already know you. So it's a very, very powerful strategy. Now, it doesn't take long to write these emails. The truth is that the email should be about 300 to 500 words. So these are short emails that once you get into the rhythm of writing them, they become very easy. And once you start seeing the results from them, you will be hooked for life. There's nothing more powerful. I've got clients who I work with who have literally doubled their business by following this strategy. So the key is, number one, consistency. So if you're going to send out an email on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, make sure you send out that email Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, preferably at the same time. The second thing is make the emails infotaining. Make them have information. Of course, there's got to be a payoff for the reader, but make them entertaining. I gave you two ways that you can do that. One is with a current event. The second way is with a celebrity tie-in. And the third way is actually by telling personal stories and, of course, tying it in to a lesson at the end. And then the final thing is you want to have a soft call to action at the end of every single email. And that call to action will depend upon whatever the next step in your sales process is. For most people, it's for someone to schedule an appointment with you. So follow this strategy, follow it religiously, and you will absolutely see an increase in your sales and maybe even double them. Now, as always, I love to get your opinions and your feedback in the comment section, and I read each and every one of the comments, so please comment below. In addition to that, if you have not yet subscribed to my daily email tips, go to salesespresso.com. That's salesespresso.com. And finally, you want to check out this video on a similar topic that'll help you increase your sales.